My mental health journey has had a lot of ups and downs. I worked a lot through anxiety and depression. It takes over 6 months sometimes to see a psychiatrist, and then counseling can only be covered by so much insurance or not covered at all. And it's really hard as a student or young adult to try to get access to these things. And then you hit that mental breakdown point, and then it almost feels too late.
So my name is Jesika and I'm the founder and CEO of Seedling Art Co. As someone who's struggled with her own mental health, I understand the problem and the problem space on a really personal level. The Seedling Growth Journal is a product I wish I had for myself when I was younger. It's something meant to help to reduce anxiety, reduce stress, and help improve low mood. It features cognitive behavioral therapy and dialectical behavioral therapy. We wanted to take these mental health tools and put them in a form that resonates more with teens and young adults. We also work with mental health professionals, so we have a clinical counselor as well as other mental health and addictions counselors that have really helped to shape the content and ensure that everything in the Seedling Journal is relevant, accurate, and user-friendly.
My name's Julie Collette, and I'm a registered clinical counselor. I actually have about 15 years of experience, and I have been trained in a variety of modalities, from dialectical behavioral therapy training to cognitive behavioral therapy training. Journaling is incredibly effective at supporting people who may be struggling with their mental health because it allows a free flow of thoughts and a free flow of expression. And often when we're struggling, we'll either tend to shove thoughts and feelings down or express them in ways that are not necessarily super helpful. Being able to start to work on mental health either prior to formal counseling or even during, but certainly prior to also, is very effective. Using this journal would be a value add for somebody's mental wellness.
So the Seedling Growth Journal stands out in a number of different ways. Namely, we are specifically for teens and young adults. So we took a look at all of the problems that teens and young adults commonly face, and we tried to choose relevant mental health tools and topics that can kind of help guide them through that stage of life. A lot of the common competitors on the market are very generalized products. They either have too much information and have very little attention paid to the design and how it's presented, also are for a general audience, or on the flip side, they're very repetitive and don't offer a lot of substance. With the Seedling Journal, we have a nice balance between mental health content, well-designed, relevant information, as well as journaling space at the end of the journal so you can expand on the exercises presented and use some of the stickers that are included. One thing we really wanted to do with the Seedling Growth Journal is make sure it's sustainably made. So what we are doing right now is manufacturing in Canada with a local manufacturer who specializes in sustainability. Seedling has been kind of in the entrepreneurial startup space for the last year, and we've had a lot of success competing in competitions all across the globe. Most noteworthy was the Queen's Entrepreneurship Competition out of Queen's University. While it was in Canada, it was an international competition, and Seedling took home second place. We know it's going to help people, and we are so eager to get it into the hands of teens and young adults everywhere. But we need your help. As it stands right now, we were able to fund our prototyping and our early manufacturing through our competitions, but we need more resources. We need more finances to be able to order a bulk order of our products. So as an initial backer and supporter of this project, there are a number of different tiers that are available to you. So the more journals you purchase and you back, the more of a discount you get. And if you actually share the campaign, we're going to throw in a special surprise for you as a thank you for your support. Thank you so much for helping us to make mental health tools more accessible. Let's grow together.
Let's grow together. Let's grow together. Let's grow together.